Hello kids, I hope everyone is good. So class, I told you to read the chapter again. I hope you have read it. So what we have last read, that Toto's mother allowed him to go outside the pond. Okay, now let's go to the next picture. So you can see he is already out of the pond and he is walking. Okay, so you can see the picture of a pond also where you can see few flowers, you can see the grass, green grasses, and you can see few colorful rocks. Now let's read. Toto came out of the pond and walked in a garden. So when her mother allowed him to go outside the pond, he came out and started walking in the garden. Okay. Now next. In this picture you can see there is a few punctuation mark, which is exclamation mark and question marks. So let's read. Soon he heard a scary sound. So what he heard? He heard a scary sound. Someone was coming. So he knew that someone was coming. And what was the scary sound? Pitter pat, pitter pat. So that's why he was confused and he was thinking who it might be. Now in this picture you can see that who is there? There is a kitty. Okay. And you can see what he has become now. He has become a rock because he has gone inside his shell. Okay. So let's read. Toto quickly pulled his head into his shell. So he pulled his head into his shell. So this is a shell which is very hard. It's like a rock. Then he stood very still. Still means he is not moving. Okay. He became a rock. You have seen that rock, it doesn't move. It lies on the ground. Okay. So the rock doesn't move. So he has become a rock. And why he has become a rock? Because his mother told him to be a rock when he hears a scary sound. Now see what he is thinking. Time to be a rock. I will be safe now. So he is thinking that he will be safe now after becoming a rock. Now in this picture you can see the kitty has come closer to the rock or to Toto. So let's read. It was Mimi cat walking by the pond. So who was making that pitter pat sound? It was Mimi cat. Okay, so this is Mimi cat. Her eyes fell on the rock, and when she was walking by the pond, what she saw? She saw a rock. Okay, now what she say? Wow, what a pretty rock. I will take it home. So she wants to take that rock home. Why? Because it is very pretty or it is very beautiful. Now next page. She picked Toto up and took him home. So she picked Toto and took him home. She put him down in her garden. So this is Mimi's garden. You can see Mimi's garden. There are wooden fence also. You can see these are wooden fence. She put him down in her garden. Now in the next picture you can see this is her house. Which color it is? It is purple and pinkish color. You can see pink color. You can see now Mimi cat is heading towards her home in this picture. Okay. Let's read. Then she walked into her house. So she is heading towards her house. Soon Toto crawled away into Binny Rabbit's garden. And what is Toto doing? You can see Toto started crawling. Okay, crawling means he is moving very slowly. Like you have seen a small baby crawling who cannot walk, who is very small, like 6-7 months, they cannot walk, they just crawl. Okay. So Toto started moving into whose garden? Binny Rabbit's garden. Now what he is thinking? Time to stop being a rock. So he is saying that now it's not a time to be a rock. So you can see the Mimi cat is confused now. Okay. So let's read why she is confused. Mimi returned after some time. So she came out from her house after some time. The rock was missing. So there was no rock. Means Toto was not there. What she say? My rock. Who took away my pretty rock? So she is asking question. Who took her rock? And who took her beautiful rock? Now you can see the next picture. You can see there is a fence again. So this is a garden and it is dividing their, this fence is dividing their area. Okay, so this is Binny Rabbit's garden. Okay, and this is Mimi cat's garden. Okay, so let's read. Toto heard Mimi. He stood very still. So when she was asking the question, who took away her pretty rock? Who heard Mimi? The Toto heard Mimi. And again he stood very still. You can see Toto is here. Again he has become a rock. He is saying time to be a rock. Okay, why? Because Toto is afraid of Mimi. Now let's read. Binny heard Mimi crying. So Binny Rabbit, he heard that Mimi is crying. She came out running. So Binny came out running. Now let's read. What does Binny Rabbit say? What is wrong, Mimi? So he's asking what is wrong. And what she replied? I found a pretty rock. I had kept it here. Now it is not here. So she's saying that she found a beautiful rock and that she kept in her garden. But it is not there in her garden now. Now class, look at your writing format. You will write date here, lesson number, homework and lesson name like this. Okay, in the first line these three things will be there, and in the second line the name of the chapter, and both will be in bold letter, even this one. Okay, bold letter means capital letter. Then you will write heading, question and answer. After that question number 1, 2 and like that. Now in the previous video I gave you few questions. Many students were not able to answer this question. So the question is, what advice did Mama Turtle give to little turtle? So the answer is, the Mama Turtle advised the little turtle to hide himself in his shell and appear as a rock when he hears any scary sound. So this is the answer of question number 4. I hope you get it. Class, I wanted to revise this chapter again. Okay, I wanted to read this chapter again, and in case of any doubts or any queries, please mail me and learn all the question and answers. Okay, thank you.